Once upon a time, in a tiny village nestled among the rolling hills, lived a poor miller with his only son and a scruffy little kitten named Puss. One day, the miller found a magic hat, and Puss, being the curious cat that he was, sneaked a peek. The hat whispered, "You are no longer a kitten, but a dashing marquis." Puss, now looking quite dashing, went to the king's palace. The guards, seeing Puss's fine attire, let him pass. In the palace, he met the king's ugly and mean-spirited son, the prince. "I have come to ask for the hand of the beautiful princess in marriage," Puss said bravely. The prince, not wanting to lose face, declared a challenge. "The first one to bring me a sack of gold will win the princess's hand." Puss, knowing he couldn't bring gold on his own, thought quickly. He ventured into the forest, where he met a clever fox. "If you help me catch a hen that lays golden eggs, I will give you a share," Puss proposed. The fox, with a cunning plan, led Puss to a cave where a giant goose was nesting. "Just pretend to be a baker," the fox advised. "The goose will lay the eggs only when she sees a baker kneading dough." Puss followed the fox's instructions, and soon enough, the goose laid a golden egg. Puss and the fox shared the eggs, and Puss returned to the palace with a sack full of gold. The prince was surprised, but true to his word, he had to give Puss the princess's hand. The kingdom celebrated, and Puss, the once scruffy kitten, became a prince, living happily ever after with his beautiful wife. As for the fox, he learned that sometimes the wisest plans involve helping others. And Puss, he continued to wear his magic hat, always ready to lend a helping paw to those in need. And so, the tale of Puss in Boots became a legend, a reminder that bravery, cunning, and kindness can turn anyone into a prince. Good night, little ones, and may you dream of your own adventures tonight.